Learn the working method on how to generate your cooperative bank account statement download in PDF. You can generate bank statement for any period you want using this method I'm about to show you. To begin, first click on the link in the description down below. This is very important, don't skip this step. You can either click the link or copy and paste it in your browser. My preferred browser for this tutorial is Google Chrome, but if you don't have it installed you can use any other browser. Now log into your COP bank account by inputting your username and password. Input the OTP code sent by COP Bank to your account's primary mobile number. This is a security feature to ensure that it's really you trying to access your account and not someone else. Input the code correctly, then click on Confirm. After successful login, select the 3 dots on the top right corner of the account you wish to download a statement. Select Statement at the top right. Now enter the statement period you wish, then click View. Select Download at the top right. Your statement will instantly be downloaded in PDF format and ready to be accessed. I hope this was helpful. If not, leave a comment if you have any issues and I'll respond. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe, like and comment.